Had a lot of customers ask us about ABS pumps that are causing the brakes to bind on one side. So I just wanted to do a quick video to show you what really happens with the ABS pump and why it binds. Okay, so this is just an example ABS pump. So this is the hydraulic that normally binds. So this normally happens on a VW, on a Mercedes it happens, Mazda it happens, also happens on a BMW. Now the customer will complain that when he presses the brake, it pulls to one side and it binds. So the caliper could stay on and it won't release again, or you might find that it doesn't actually push the caliper at all. Now what happens with these ABS pumps is that you've got obviously 4 ports there. One of them gets blocked and it doesn't do the flow and return. So that's what causes the issue. Normally debris gets inside it and it causes the issue of it not letting the fluid flow correctly. Now what we do, we get the unit and we try to push the pressure into it, overpressure it, so we get rid of the actual debris that's stuck inside it and clean it out completely flush it out so that it actually works on the vehicle properly. We can test for this on it over here. So when you send it to us, we could test it for the pressure going through at the beginning and see what the pressure is and the bars it comes out at. And we could also test it for after we repair it, what the bar setting is after that. So if you want to send it to us, it takes us roughly about an hour to repair these per unit. But you can send it to, we normally turn around in about 24 hours back to you again. But we are seeing a lot of these now. These are actually on newer vehicles, which is quite surprising, but newer vehicles are failing for this. You can't just change it. On the older vehicles, you could just change the hydro. So what you can do is separate the ECU part and buy a second-hand hydro. They've got around that, so you can't just swap the hydros anymore. The hydro has information in it that's paired to the actual ECU. So they've stopped that. So all the manufacturers are really stopping the second-hand industry, I suppose. So you could either get this repaired, the top bit, or we could also do another thing where you could send us a whole unit, send us a donor unit, and we could transfer the data from one to the other. But just bear in mind that the other one, that's second-hand, can also have the binding problem after 10k miles, etc. So I would recommend that just get it all flushed out, repair it, and that's the best way to get around it. So if you get any of these for these vehicles, or you want to talk to us about these sort of problems that we're having in these vehicles, please just give us a call, drop us an email, or pop down to us. It's not an issue. But yeah, I hope this video is useful for you guys.